Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make low-calorie ranch dressing. First, let's gather our base ingredients. We'll start with plain non-fat Greek yogurt, which offers a fantastic creamy texture with significantly fewer calories than traditional mayonnaise or sour cream. You can thin it out with a splash of skim milk or water to reach your preferred consistency. This simple swap is key to a lighter dressing. Now, let's talk about those essential ranch flavors. Garlic powder and onion powder are non-negotiable for that signature taste. Don't forget a pinch of dry dill weed. It truly brings out the classic ranch profile. For a little zing, add a small amount of white vinegar or fresh lemon juice. These ingredients work together to create a robust and satisfying flavor without relying on high-calorie additions. Once you have all your ingredients, it's time to mix them up. In a bowl, combine the Greek yogurt base with your chosen herbs and spices. Whisk everything together until it's smooth and well blended. This is your chance to taste and adjust. Feel free to add a little more garlic, dill, or a dash of salt and freshly ground black pepper to perfect the flavor profile for your palate. Finally, let's discuss storage and serving. Transfer your freshly made low-calorie ranch dressing to an airtight container and refrigerate it. It will keep well for up to 5 days, allowing you to enjoy it throughout the week. This dressing is perfect for salads, as a dip for fresh vegetables, or even as a light sauce for grilled chicken. Enjoy your delicious and healthier ranch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.